Hey, what's up? We are doing a quick unboxing and a little bit of a demonstration of the Arcora Bathroom Faucet. So I got this from Amazon. So in the box, what it looks like, it does come with white gloves as well, but we got a couple of, you got your hot connection, and your cold connection there. And then on the actual faucet itself, it's got your hot on this side and your cold on that side. It's fairly easy installation. It's just one hole. So if you have a bathroom sink with that style, you just do a quick little connection. It's got a rubber gasket on the bottom as well to help seal that connection. Oops. You'll see here, it's got your little rubber gasket there, and that just stays on like that. Connects through here. So you got your hot and your cold on that side. And then these simply just, whoops, are attached like this. And then you attach this end to your incoming water supply, hot and cold. I mean, kind of see some the detail on it there. It is a nice solid construction. I feel a little bit of a weight to it. It's good and sturdy. It's a nice design. It's kind of hard to see in this lighting the color of it, but to me it looks almost like a super dark brown, almost black, but not quite black. Almost like a darker wood color, a super dark wood color. But yeah, this is the Arcora Bathroom Faucet. You can get it on Amazon, or if you're watching this on Amazon, you can get it through Amazon. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.